Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I've got a challenge video. I am going to be attempting to make a few dogs. Now, dogs are pretty easy to make, but the rule is I cannot make a dog that I've ever made before. I'm going to try to make at least 3 brand new dogs that I've never done before. Got a variety of colors right here to work with, and 1 black Sharpie to help me out. Let's get into it. Let's try a 1 balloon dog first. See what I can do. A 1 balloon dog should be pretty hard to do because there's only so many variations you can do with just a single balloon without copying yourself. So let's see. Let's start off front. I'm going to try to do a sidewall bubble, which is basically when you twist a bubble on the side of it instead of actually twisting it. So I'm going to try to do a sidewall bubble for the nose. There we go. See that? It's not twisted out of it. It's just off the top. And then maybe later I'll come back and use a Sharpie, make that a little bit darker so it looks a bit more like a nose. So I'm going to call out the head. I'm going to come back. That way I can attach ears there. I'm going to make this a pretty small dog. Let's do feet. Pinch twist for the feet. There we go, yeah, that looks kind of cool. Little guy. Just a pinch twist there, or no. Let's do that for the tail, and then I need this for the ears. So this is both ears. There we go. Should do it like that. That's what I'm going to do, I think. A little bit better. Yeah, I like that. Alright, let me just get the marker in here. Help it out a little bit. I'm going to color in the nose. There you go, I like that. I'm thinking about coloring the ears. Maybe just the tips of the ears. Sure. Makes it take a lot longer when you have to color everything in like that. And you try not to get it onto your hand, but you usually do anyways. Alright, that's out of here. Yeah, well, I did it on that side, I gotta do it on this side too now. All the way around. Don't forget, I almost forgot the eyes. There you go. Yeah. That's about my drawing skill level, so I'm gonna stick with that. Alright, there is dog number 1. Alright, let's set that down. And alright, second dog. Let's try to use about 2 balloons. I might use more, I don't know. I literally have no idea what I'm about to do. Let's start off with, sure, let's start off with some orange. Let's see. No, I think I'm going to use a lot of balloons for this one, actually. I'm going to see, get some interesting details in there. I'm actually going to start with the nose. There's the nose. And get some red in here. I'm going to start building the head. Let's see. Thinking that's going to be the bottom. Does that look weird? Well, let's just keep going and like, I don't even know what kind of dog I'm trying to make here. But we're just going to go with it and see what happens. This can go up and be the top of the head here. Maybe. Maybe not quite that much. Sure. When you don't know what you're doing, you just keep going and hopefully it'll turn into something. That's my goal right now, is just hoping that something will happen and they'll be like, oh, there we go. Because right now I'm completely lost, let's be honest. Sure, let's do that. This might not even work at all, I don't know. Maybe it'll be a big flop. Maybe it'll pop. Maybe that's a good thing, I don't know. That's what I got right now. Just got rid of the nose. I'm going to hold on to that. Maybe I'll put it back in since it kind of popped. And kind of start to see something, actually. See a little... Put some eyes in here. Let me try use some yellow for the eyes. Yeah, kind of like that. Now the red is gonna have to come out and be the face, or the nose and mouth. So I can work with that. Come out a little bit. That looks weird. I don't like that. That also looks weird, but not as weird. So I'm gonna go with that for now, and we can always come back and change it later. Actually, not too bad. I actually kind of like this. Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. See where this goes. I have no idea what I'm doing. Alrighty. My nose keeps coming undone. Not my nose, its nose. Alright, well, there's the mouth for now. Ooh. I add in teeth and stuff, this is gonna start looking into more of a human than a dog if I do that. Sure, just go for it. You know, why not? Right? Yeah. Leave it there for now. Let's get to the body. I've turned red into the theme here, so I think I'm gonna just stick with red as the theme. Excuse me. So let's get into the body, have some fun with the feet. Ooh, I've got an idea for the feet. First when I get there. We'll add in the ears later. Come back to that. And I just want to get the body done. That way we can actually make sure I'm on the right track here and not going down some random place. Alright, so that's how long the legs are going to be. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. This will probably be to help keep the body in place. So I'm going to do a double pinch twist. I'm going to do like a loop around. So I'm coming out a little bit from it, so I can loop around the pinch twist and turn that into a foot. I kind of like it. Sweet. I'm going to do that again on the other side. Except I got to do that backwards. Got to do the loop around, shove the pinch twist in there, then go back up. A lot harder to do. We'll see. We'll see how this goes. Despite me, my undoing. Alright, shove it in there. Alright, a little bit bigger, but it'll do. Alright, that's what we got so far. I'm actually okay with that. There we go. Getting the body done. Oop, what happened there? Head's trying to come undone on me. Should I use this for the ears? Ooh, what if I do this? Does that look really weird? Hang on. Alright, let me try shoving this to the head. I don't think I'm going to like it, but I'm going to try it. I mean, it's definitely something I've never done before. That's pretty good. Make it go up. Oh, that's weird. I think it looks pretty weird. Let's try it. I'm being very ambitious with this dog, doing a lot of things that I'm very skeptical about. Probably a really bad idea, but we're going with it. I'm committing. Get rid of that. That makes it really hard to go back. Alright. That's what we have so far. Got the front legs, got the head. I might add a little bit to the head and draw on the eyes, of course. Let's get the back legs and tail, potentially. Oh, actually, I got a tail right here. Well, we'll see. I think that's going to be my tail. Alright, double pinch twist. Come out a little bit. Do a loop twist. Go around the pinch twist. There we go. Working. Get the other side. Doing it backwards is like, you'd measure a cut and then cut. This is like cutting it and then measuring it. I feel like that's the right analogy. Probably wrong. That's what it feels like to me. Alright. I'm actually pretty happy with that. Just help out the body a little bit. This orange guy. Alrighty, I think I'm just about done actually. Get everything adjusted. I think I need a color in the nose. That might help. Color in the nose and give it some eyes, and I think I'm just gonna call it. And, let's see how good it looks. Lights going back and forth. The clouds are going back and forth, so sometimes the light's shining and sometimes the sun's out. Sometimes the clouds are covering it. So I apologize if this if it makes it look really weird. I normally don't use Sharpies this much because I'm not the best with Sharpies, so I try to do as much with an actual balloon as I can do. I didn't really need to use a Sharpie on this one. The other one I did because the rule was one balloon and a Sharpie, so I kind of did. This one, ooh, actually, I look kind of like it. Alright, here we go. Dog number 2. Alright, this is actually getting to be a little bit of a long video. So, I don't know. I think I'm going to try and make one more. I'm going to try using just one balloon again. See how that goes. Ooh, let's use, yeah, don't fly away. You can use purple, my favorite color. I think I'll make a really small one. Let's see. Start off with the nose again. So there's the nose. Let's pinch twist. Straight down here. Don't know what I'm doing. I don't want this to look too much like the other dog, but there's the nose. So for the first one, I did a sidewall bubble. For this one, it looks kind of the same, but this one is actually entirely different. It just, the placement looks the same because there's many ways to do it. Now, for the ears, I want to do something really cool where it goes through the head. Trying to get that sorted out. Let's see. Come on. Alright. I did get it through the head. I did get it to go through the head. I just need to get the other side. And the other balloons are flying away. Hang on. Alright, I weighted the balloons down with the bag of balloons. Hopefully they're good. What am I doing here? Alright, come back. I'm not a fan of those ears, but actually it's not too bad. Not too bad. A little bit uneven, but we're gonna go with it. Gotta keep going. We're just gonna let's get a neck in there. Don't fly away, guys. Not done. Do some simple legs here. This video is getting pretty long. Just gonna wrap this guy up. Alrighty. I'll just draw on the eyes real fast. Alright, there we go. Cute little dog. I kind of like that. I like that dog a lot, actually. Alrighty. So, we got 3 different dogs. I've never made any of these dogs before. Okay. The nose is falling apart on this guy. And that's good. But let me know. Get them in order. Let me know which dog you like the best. Oh well. Number 1, 2, or 3. No, 1, 2, or 3. I'm getting confused. The first dog, the second dog, or the third dog. Let me know which one you like the best. And thank you guys so much for subscribing and liking the video. And if you could, share this with a friend. Help me out. Help the channel grow it a little bit. Yeah, thank you guys so much. If you have another challenge that you want me to do, let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye.